Hello again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining us. I'm here with a 2027 Bentley 200 Fish center walkthrough. Really great option for families who enjoy some fishing, but also enjoy some lounge space. Why don't you come on aboard, take a look. Really sharp exterior on the boat here. It's matte red with a matte black finish and a dark vinyl gray here that's a plank finish. So really nice look here. The boat, as you come inside, you'll notice there's two fishing seats. These are comfortable fishing seats in the front, as well as a live well here to keep your fish, your bait in. One of the cool things about this Bentley model is that there are two different live wells, one here in the front and one under a seat. So if you have one place for bait, one place for the fish you catch, really nice option there. This boat does seat up to 12 people. I would tell you that 8 to 9 is probably your comfortable sweet spot, but a big capacity tag for the days where all the family is coming down to enjoy the lake. So we get to the helm, you'll notice we do have a Bluetooth stereo, Humminbird fish finder, OEM gauges, and tilt steering. Really nice options for the captain here in a reclining helm seat here that is comfortable and easy to enjoy on the lake. Is this one? You can see there is a seat for the captain's first mate as well. As we got to the back, there is some additional seating back here that's comfortable, easy to lounge on. You do have a nice place to lay back, put your foot up there, some cup holders around as well. Finally, a ladder right off the back. So a really great option for the families who enjoy fishing and a little bit of cruising as well. We can pair this with anywhere from a 9.9 horsepower motor all the way up to 115 horsepower. So whatever your family is looking to do, this Bentley could have the option for you. At the Charles Mill Marina, we do sell our boats water ready. So that means included in the price will be delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, on-water lesson, a safety package, and all your freight and prep fees included in the price that you see up front. We're also going to handle all of your titling and registration needs in-house, which means the OH number is going to come on the boat when it's delivered to you. We're also going to take care of that first tank of gas so you're ready for the fun. If this boat's of interest to you, you can call us at or text us at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.